This is the HOMAG EDGETEQ S-200 FC. Running at 8 meters per minute, this is our entry-level solution to corner rounding. The S-200 can process edge banding in both coils and strips up to 3 mm thickness. Multiple strips can be placed on the magazine for the machine to feed one at a time. The easy touch control provides a user-friendly and intuitive interface. Production readiness is indicated by street lamp colors. Different unit buttons can be selected to create and save a total of 20 programs, with your favorite 4 displayed on the main screen. 6 short stroke keys make it easy and quick to operate power, feed track, and heat up the glue pot. The pressure beam can be manually raised up to 40 mm. The robust infeed fence with prismatic linear guides is manually adjusted for the amount of material to be removed by the pre-mill. The glue is applied by a glue roller for uniform coating. The extremely stable double motor end trim snips the edge overhangs at the front and rear ends of the workpiece. The fine trim station processes the top and bottom of the edge banding. The nested copy system on top allows processing of workpieces with hinge holes. A quick and simple change between radius, chamfer, and flush trimming is accomplished by changing the position of the lever on each head. Accurate adjustment to specific edge thickness is also possible by moving the digital counter. The corner rounding is a great feature when processing all 4 sides with thick tape. The profile scraping station provides a smooth edge. It comes with quick change heads for easy changeover between different radii or different materials such as textured and peel-coated surfaces. A finished scraping station removes any excess glue. Material removal of up to 0.3 mm is also possible. The result is clean and perfect-looking workpieces right out of the machine. For more information on the S-200 FC, please visit stilesmachinery.com.